Do you know why you're more likely to lose money if you have poor quality companies? It's not just because they're poor quality companies. It's because you'll have to keep trading them out more frequently. And that, if they do go up, will cause you a capital gains tax problem. Okay. Whereas if you've got a quality company which keeps compounding, you don't need to keep selling. Therefore, your money compounds without having to pay the tax man. Imagine the tax man is a silent partner in your family's finances, taking gains from your fund, your pool of money. My job is to turn you into a fund manager whereby you understand these things. You can take control of your own investments without having the inefficiencies of tax drag, and actually understanding it in simple terms that you want to be selling less frequently, but you can only do that with quality companies. And the problem we've got at the moment is a lot of people, because the markets are at all-time highs, think they've got quality companies. They're going to soon have to sell them, which is perfectly fine. But the difference between them and me, for instance, will be I'll have, say, the same gains, but with the kind of companies I can afford to keep holding. They'll have the same gains with the kind of companies they know they need to get the hell out of. They'll take a massive tax hit. The capital that's left will be less than the capital I have, even if we started off with the same amount and the same time and the same growth. And I will then gradually compound more frequently than they will. It's simple when somebody explains it to you. Your IFA and wealth manager won't understand that because, for a start, the IFA will say it's up to the wealth manager how frequently they sell, and the wealth manager will say, don't worry, we've got it all in hand. We understand it's a fund structure, etc., etc., and they'll be charging you a hefty fee where you'll be thinking, God, I wish I managed it myself instead. If you want to learn how to manage your own capital, if you want to know how to invest better, and like a free copy of that book, if you want to know how hedge fund managers such as myself manage our own pensions and the strategies we use, all for free, have a look at alpeshpatel.com.